Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice dresser that we're going to redo, make a little bit nicer. So let's run you through the process of sanding it down, painting it, and turning this into, well, an even more awesome piece. So follow along, subscribe as we get this set up. Alright, step one, we're going to remove all the hardware, check out all the tracks, make sure everything's nice and tight. If anything's loose, we'll glue it or screw it in tight. We'll figure it all out as we work ahead. So let's get this hardware off to start. Alright, so we've got all the drawers pulled, everything looked pretty good, tracks are all there, can't beat that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start sanding it down, sanding out any of the imperfections, all that good stuff. Now for the top, we're going to try sanding it down to bare wood and see if we can stain it. If we go through it, because this is a veneer top, then what we'll do is we'll just paint it. But let's give it a try first. Alright, up next, we're going to use our dark walnut stain for the top. We vacuumed it off, wiped it dry, or wiped it clean and then let it dry. Now we can apply this, the dark stain. The big key here is going with the grain, down and back, making nice smooth transitions between your layers. And what makes it better, we got little baby socks here that we found in the dresser, as we're going to use as our staining cloth to put it on. So let's begin. Alright, unfortunately my battery died while I was staining it, but you can kind of see in the distance here how it turned out. Dark walnut mini wax that we used. So since that's dried, now we can start painting the piece. What we got out is some Dixie Belle drop cloth here, and we'll start painting the drawers first, and then we'll work on the body or the frame of it. So let's begin. Alright, the piece is done, dried, we're ready for some wax. We're going to wax this top with our mini wax. Put my glove on, and we'll do the top real quick, see how it turns out. We're going to put our handles on this, and we'll be rock and rolling from there. We'll get some pictures of this thing finished. Alright, here it is completed. Drop cloth white with a dark walnut stained top. You see before, now you get to see the after. Looks pretty good. Obviously, this is going to go to a great home. So if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. We're always looking for those likes and comments. And let us know how you like this project. We'll start on our next one tomorrow.